Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So this is a short tutorial video for our students so they can understand how they can access the courses they have enrolled in on their Al-Nafi study portal. So first of all, students need to log into the Al-Nafi website. So they can either Google Al-Nafi or they can log into the Al-Nafi website by going to this link mentioned on the screen. When you will visit the alnafi website, then you need to press the login button on the top left corner, and then you will be directed to this page. Here you need to write down your credentials, your registered email address and your password, and you can log in. It is worth noting that if you forget your password, then you can reset it. Here you can just click on the forget password button, and then you can reset your password. After you successfully log in to your account, you will land on to the Al-Nafi website. You will not go to the study portal directly. You will be directed to the Al-Nafi website, right? And then over there, you need to look for the dashboard button that will also be on the top left corner. Top right corner, sorry. It will be on the top right corner of the website. You need to click on the dashboard button so that you can be directed to the study portal. I will be sharing the screenshot of the dashboard button for references. Okay, so this is the dashboard button on the top right corner of the screen. So you need to click on this button so that you can be directed to the study portal, right? So once you click on this button, you will be on your study portal. You over there you will find all the courses that you have enrolled yourself in, right? So how can you start studying your courses? So you need to click on the start course if you have not started your course yet, or you need to click on the resume course if you have started your course and you need to continue your studies. So you need to, for example, you have already started your course, so you need to click on the resume course button. So that will take you to the course content. As you can see, this is the student dashboard, and these are the courses the student is enrolled in. So for example, a student wants to resume their course, so they're going to click on this button, the resume course button. For example, however, if a student has not started their course yet, so they're going to start their course, right? Start course, resume course. So there's a difference, right? So once you have entered the course, you will find various sections. You will find modules, there will be lessons, there will be assessments, there will be different types of things, and you need to basically complete all of those modules so that you can, complete your course. For example, you want to study a specific lesson. So you need to click on that specific lesson or lecture, and you can start studying that. But the advice is that you study the entire courses sequentially. You don't study from in between, right? So this is how it looks like when you resume the course or you start your course. This is Diploma in DevOps. The video, the lecture will be played here, and these are all the course names which you will be needing to complete and study and understand as well in order to complete your Diploma in DevOps. You need to it is wise to basically study the course sequentially, and you need to finish and ensure that you complete the course content entirely in order to be eligible for the completion of the diploma, right? And there are the various benefits for that. Obviously, that if, for example, a student completes 75% of their diploma program, they're eligible for the resume development service. And if they complete 100% of the diploma program, they are eligible for the certificate of completion from Al-Nafi. If you require any assistance, if you have questions, we have our student community in which you can post your questions, and our course trainers will be providing answers and support to our students. So this is what the student community looks like. You can post your questions here and you will be answered by our trainers, inshallah. That's it for today. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.